What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another self haircut. I'm going to be doing the comb over. This is the zero coming up right here, going up just above the ear. If you're new to the channel, in this channel I do clipper reviews, trimmer reviews, and self haircuts. So if you want to subscribe, feel free to do so. Here I got the zero line going on, little drop in the back. Alright guys, next up I used a 1 1/2 open just to remove some of that bulk that I have on the sides and in the back. Alright guys, next up I used the zero here, open, going about just about half an inch maybe from the zero line. I tried doing a second line this time, like a guideline. You guys seen my previous videos. This is the part that's most complicated about the haircut. Erasing that zero line, as you can see. So I'm just gonna keep on going at it, keep on trying. Let me know what you guys think. This is I tried doing the second line this time. Maybe next time I won't. Maybe next time I'll just go straight into the fading from the zero to the half. See how that works out. Here I kind of just sprayed my hair on top just to jump into the scissor cutting a little bit, just so I don't have to have that bulk, and comb it where I want to comb it. Alright guys, so here I didn't show the part where I cut my do the scissor cutting, or maybe in a different video, but I jumped straight into the one after that one open, and just went into the start fading it up to the one. Then after that using the 2 and then the 3, and then a little bit of scissor cutting on the very top. So I just look in the mirror, the restroom mirror guys, for when I'm doing the sides. I don't have any issues with it up until you get to like the behind your ear part. You can't really see back there, so I'll pick up a hand mirror, and then I'll use that, which I picked up at Sally's, but you can pick it up anywhere you really like. Just a regular hand mirror, and I use the restroom mirror to look behind my head. That's pretty much how I get the back part. Alright, if you guys have any questions, guys, you guys can always go down in the comments, and I'll respond to you guys' questions. But here I'm finishing up with the 1 open, going on here with the number 2, just following up, going up above that 1 that I previously hit, and it starts to give a nice little fade on the sides. Again, the back is going to be a little bit more complicated. I think that's where I pretty much struggle a lot at the moment. You just got to use your handheld mirror and just go at it in the back. Alright guys, here finishing up with the number 3 open, just going above that same 2 with that line that I had, and just keep on going at it. This is the last guard that I use. I kind of try to go to the very top and kind of flick out at the same time. Just be careful not to go too high, but you'll be alright. Again, going around your whole head with the 3, and that's pretty much the last guard that I'll use. Here, going around the other side, finishing up with the 3, doing that flick out motion again, and pretty much this is an easy part, I would say, part of the haircut. Just going around with the higher guards. And right now I'm going to be going back down to the 0 line. Alright guys, so here I'm coming in with the half open, and trying to play with it, see how it goes. Kind of just going along and learning as I go. I believe here I did do the half open, then I kind of closed it all the way, went at the very bottom line, and just played with it a little bit, and I was trying to see how it worked out. Then after this, I believe I went in and did the zero open and went up just a little bit and tried to erase that zero line. All right, guys. So this is it right here. The final view of what it looks like. I went in with the zero open and then the half open, and just messed around with it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna keep on trying it till it gets better and better. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. So this is the haircut that I gave myself like a couple of days ago. I'll be posting a video on it soon. Getting a little better, not too bad. This is a day old haircut. Alright guys, thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Appreciate it. Thank you. Peace.